Hello everyone, good morning, and I will show you our cooking this morning. We will cook Lomen Noodles with Hoyt. Come join with us. Here we go. The ingredients of our Lomen Noodles is chicken, carrots, soy sauce, olive oil, peas, red bell pepper, onions, and of course our noodles. So Hoyt, are you ready? Yes. Okay. But first we will heat our frying pan first. Okay, it sounds hot now. We will put the oil. Get the oil, Hoyt. Open. Open the oil. Okay, now do like that. Okay, that's enough. And then put that in there. You stir the, where's the lalo? You stir the oil. Okay, I think it looks like hot. Now you put the onions. Alright. Oops. Careful. Okay. Alright. Go get more. Go get more onions. Okay, let's make it slow. Wait. Alright. Good job, Hoy. Keep doing. Alright. That's enough. Alright. Now we will wait a little bit when the onions will be cooked. And now, Hoy, you put the chicken. Alright, you need to drop all the chicken in the inside. Get a plate of chicken. Everything. Get the plate. Alright. Good job, Hoyt. Yes. And then stir this, Hoyt. Okay. Stir the chicken. Yes, good job. Alright. Good boy. I will help you a little bit. And now you can add soy. Just put a little bit of more. Alright, that's enough. And let's go find the lid for that. The lid under. Yeah, the lid for this frying pan. We need to add a cup of water. Alright, now we will wait when it boils. Then we will add our other ingredients. Are you excited? Now we're getting ready to open the noodles. Okay, the other one. Alright. Now we will wait when the chicken will be cooked. Okay. Wait, it's time for us to put the noodles. Put the noodles. Okay, let's stir it first before we add the other noodles. Might be run away. Wait, can you slow it? Wait. Then slow the heat. Yeah. Okay, the last ingredients that we put is the peas. Alright, mix it, Hoyt. Hoyt, help. Be careful, it's hot. Good job, Hoyt. Good job, baby. Good job. Okay. Our Lomen Noodles is done. You taste your son's cooking. Here, Grandpa, do you wanna taste it?
Yeah, me hungry.
Okay, Grandpa is tasting it. How is it? See, Hoyt
Are these
also
green peas or?
peas. Yeah, green
Oh, you
peas.
got that. All right. Do you use sauce on it? or-
No,
Egg tastes flavored.
yeah,
It's got good sauce.
it's already have a sauce.
Yummy. I'd probably come back for seconds.
Yeah.
Delicious.
See, Mommy said delicious. You cooking.
Fantastic. Careful how much you make, right?
Thank you all guys for watching, and see you on my next cooking vlog with Hoyt soon when they come over. Bye everyone.